Hi everyone. Hello, my dear friends. I'm very glad to see you on my channel. Today I want to show you a really cool place here in Phuket, Mad Hog Tavern, also known as Mad Hog Phuket. It's a stylish bar and restaurant with a full horror theme. The decorations are amazing, very detailed, and honestly the whole place feels more European than Asian. That's why it stands out so much. The tavern is located in Phuket Old Town and it's already a very popular spot. Before, you could just come in, buy something small, and take your photos or videos. A lot of people did that. But now, because the place keeps getting more and more popular every year, they added a deposit system. When you enter, you pay a 200 baht deposit. They give you a coupon. And later you use this coupon to pay for your drinks or food. So it's not an extra fee, it's simply a prepaid amount. And yes, the food is tasty, the drinks are nice. And the atmosphere is just perfect. In this video I will show you all the interiors and also the full menu. So stay with me and don't go anywhere. Recently they updated the whole interior. Now the restaurant has 3 zones. The first zone is the original one, the entrance area with the main bar. The second zone used to be open air. But because the rainy season in Phuket keeps getting longer and longer, they built a roof over it. This part was finished very recently, it still smells fresh paint. And the third zone used to be more like a storage room, but now it's fully decorated and ready for guests. The second floor of this zone is still closed, probably under renovation. But I hope it will open soon for the high season. Please subscribe to my channel, enjoy the atmosphere of this beautiful evening, and take in these stylish horror-themed decorations. And if you ever come to Phuket, make sure to visit this place. You won't regret it. Big thanks to everyone who supports my channel and to those who press the thanks button. Unfortunately, not all my videos are allowed for monetization. YouTube rules are strict, but we deal with it. Love you all, hugs to everyone, and enjoy this journey with me. Let's enjoy life and travel together.